What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have Patreon request. We have Android 21 requested by Emmanuel on Patreon. So this is a character from Dragon Ball Fighter Z, I think. Because I'm not familiar with this one. So it must be from a video game or something. So, landscape page, pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast, take your time. Sketch it out first with your pencil, and you can always ink afterwards. So let's go. We'll start with her eyes, right? So some of her eyes are covered in hair, but we'll draw them all in, and then we can cover them after. So what we'll do is center point about here, over to the right, and we start with this diagonal kind of line. It goes up and then curves across to there. And we have a point here, and then we go down diagonal that way. And then it comes in towards the tear duct then, just to there, right? And then you want to just thicken up these lines. She's got very thick eyelid lines, very dark. You just add some extra to them. Like so, right? And then we have her iris inside there. So just like a circle, but the top and the bottom are cut off by her eyelids, right? So you can just see like sort of starting here, and then imagine it goes around underneath and comes out the other side. Right, like that. And then her pupil. Just in the center. And you can color this black. Like so. Eyebrow, so just above here, and an eyelid line. So we'll go we do the eye. No, we'll do the other eye first. So it just comes off over here, like so. We'll just do the eyes first, just to get them matching. And we're about half an eye width in between. We're not human proportions, so normally you'd fit a full eye, but the eyes are bigger, so it's about half an eye will fit in between the two eyes. And you go over the other side, up, and then bring it across again to about here. And then you have a point at the corner, and then you go down like so, and then we bring it across like so, and then you can kind of just thicken up your top eyelid a little bit. So, maybe some more down here. Right, and then iris again. So we go around here, thick sort of line again. And then a pupil. And here, like so. Right, so then we'll try for eyebrows and eyelid lines and things. So let's say here. So we'll start here. So our eyebrow kind of curves in the video game anyway, curves this way. And some of this will go under hair, right? So you don't see it all. The other side kind of gets skinny as we go back, like so. And then an eyelid line underneath here, just coming back this way. And then the eyebrow on the other side. So we'll go here again. So let's say up and over, back to like there. And then this comes over. And it gets skinnier as we go back to the back. Kind of like that. And then her eyelid line comes across here, like so. Right, so then, so some of this is covered by hair. Right, so then her nose, just here. So we got a line kind of in the middle, kind of a typical Dragon Ball nose, and then the shadow comes out, and then comes back into here. And then her mouth, just standard sort of smiling mouth. This is like the good version of this character. So just a pleasant sort of smile, kind of standard. Okay, and then do we have a shadow underneath her? Yeah, there's like a little shadow just there. Right, and then her chin, relatively pointy chin here, like so. And then we're going to go up the sides, right? So we'll go up this way, and then we kind of turn, kind of stop just across from her mouth a little bit, like, and then you'll change your direction, right? So just here, kind of on the corners of her eyes, do that, and then you change direction and go up side of her face, like so. And then we meet hair here, right? And there's more hair actually on this side than the other side. We stop just more there, right? So a little bit lower on this side. You could go the same and then erase your lines afterwards if you wanted. So that hair, right? So it starts up here. So you're about this whole height of her face up again nearly. So here to here, about the same as here to here. Chin to eyebrow, about the same as eyebrow to top of her forehead. And then this will go down like so. So real long line down that way. And then this will spike back up around to there. Then she has a spike that comes down the middle of her face, like that. And then this goes back up like so. And then we go down. Now this one cuts off her eye, right? So it's going to go somewhere down here, like that. So you can erase that if you want, and then, or color over it. This goes up. This goes up fairly far now to the top of her head. Like that. So she's lots of hair, right? So more of these basically. So we'll go another one here. It's sticking out like so, and this will go up nearly to the top of her head again. To there. And then she has one that like sticks up, goes off the top of my page, comes back down into there. You could just bring that to a point if you have more room. Just like more bumps here. And then another one that comes out the other side. It goes out, down, back up, to a spike there. And then this comes back down around. Like so. Like that, right? And then there's like a couple more. There's some that go behind her shoulders, but we'll just do like the top ones on the top of her head first. And then we got like more, so this comes down the side of her head here. It's like a big one now. So it comes up, down, into there. And then these there's long ones down here that go behind her shoulders, so we have to draw her shoulders first. So we'll keep going up here. this one sticks up, like so. And then another small one kind of on top here. Now remember, hair moves and stuff, so if yours isn't exactly like mine, don't worry too much. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. And we got like another one here. That one goes, oh no, I can fit it. Comes back down here. You got like some hairlines inside here. And then like another one here. Down behind there. Right. And you know, then there's like texture lines all over her hair. Now you can just follow your kind of hair shapes and spikes and stuff. You don't have to do it exactly, you know, just do this kind of thing. Like so, just following each kind of shape. Okay, so we'll get on and do her shoulders and then the rest of the hair. So we got the neckline coming down this way, like so, and she got a gold sort of piece of jewelry on. And then this sort of comes around the bottom of the neck. And then comes out around the other side here. And this one may go around behind this piece of hair, yeah, does, and comes back around here, like so. And we can see a little bit of her ear on this side. She's got like an earring there, and then she has a longer earring here, so it's like hanging down. That, and there's like another hair spike or something there. So then this earring comes down, and then her earlobe just there, and goes up that way. You might have like some extra ear lines and things in there. Right, so trapezius down there. Trapezius go in that way. And then we have our collarbone in the center. Just there. And they come out the side, and these will actually go up towards her shoulder. So we'll go diagonal like this. Right, and then her shoulders are kind of pushed up. So it goes around like so. And then down into here. Around down into there. Right, so then we can see the lines for her clothing coming across her chest right here. So we got like a curved line here. Comes out and around her chest, down the middle, like in line with the collarbone. Back up and around here. And down like so. And then her sleeves come off the side of those. So like come out, down that way. Out and down that way. And then four lines sort of here for her chest and in the middle. There. So then the rest of the long hair will come down behind her shoulders. So you go down like so. And then another big curling hair spike like this. Comes around into there, and then more hair comes down like so. And more of that on the other side then. Big curling hair spike. Down to there. I think there's another like hair spike here. And some more down there. Doop. And texture lines. So yeah, so like just this kind of stuff again. Just to show that it's kind of, it is hair. Doop. Okay, but I think that's everything. That is how to draw Android 21 from Dragon Ball. Hope it was helpful. Emmanuel, thanks for the request on Patreon. Anyone else got some requests they really need me to do quick, head on over to Patreon and I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.